Guys, honestly, I have goosebumps right now. Oh my god. कुछ सीखो इनसे. Oh my god. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, आज मैं एक ट्रेलर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ बहुत दिन बाद on the trailer of थलाइवी and starring कंगना रनावत. So guys, ये जो मूवी आने वाला है is going to release on 23rd of April. So let's watch. I mean, I'm super excited for this क्योंकि जो कवर है इस वीडियो का बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है एंड Karan is like doing like this, so I'm super excited and it seems like it's going to be a very good trailer, so I'm super excited and I'm a big fan of Kangana Ranaut. So ज़्यादा नहीं, let's watch. और अगर आपने मेरी तरह नहीं देखा and you're watching it for the first time, so let's watch together. Here we go. Watching on my phone and here we go. Let's watch.
जया,
वो फिल्म वाली हमें बताएगी कि राजनीति कैसे की जाती है।
ये मर्दों की दुनिया है और हम एक औरत को आगे करके खड़े हैं।
उन्होंने जया को ही उनकी उत्तराधिकारी मानकर स्वीकार किया है।
मास्टर रेडी, क्लैपिंग, स्टार्ट कैमरा।
चली चली हाँ चली एक नई हवा हूँ मैं, कभी नहीं देखी जो वो नई दिशा हूँ मैं। ख्वाब के साथिया दिल तुझे।
जब आप मुझे गले लगाते हैं तो किसके बारे में सोचते हैं?
मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूँ?
कभी तुम्हें माँ की तरह गले लगाया, कभी तुमने गुरु की तरह सीख दी और कभी तुम्हें दिल में बसाकर भगवान की तरह पूजा।
ऐसा क्या जरूरी काम चल रहा था?
एमजीआर मुझे बता रहे थे कि मेदू वड़ा में होल अंगूठे से ज्यादा अच्छा पड़ता है, उंगली नहीं करते।
अम्मू, मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन कर लो। अगर तुम जनता को प्यार दोगी तो वो भी प्यार देंगे।
साला पंख फैलाओगी ना तो मुंह के बल गिरोगी।
अभी तो सिर्फ पंख फैलाए हैं, उड़ान भरना भी बाकी है। Madam Prime Minister, if you give an ounce to Tamil Nadu, it will give you back a pound.
I didn't know South Indians can speak such good English.
I also didn't know North Indians can understand such good English.
आज तूने जिस तरह भरी सभा में मेरा अपमान किया है, वैसा ही चीरहरण कौरवों ने द्रौपदी का किया था। वो सत्ता की लड़ाई भी वो जीती थी और ये सत्ता की लड़ाई भी मैं जीतूंगी, क्योंकि महाभारत का दूसरा नाम है जया।
आपकी जीत हर औरत की जीत होगी।
ये लड़ाई लोगों के लिए है, अपने स्वाभिमान के लिए है। इस लड़ाई में हम गिर सकते हैं, जख्मी हो सकते हैं, मगर अब पीछे नहीं हट सकते। एक बात याद रखना, अगर मुझे माँ समझोगे तुम्हें मेरे दिल में जगह मिलेगी, और अगर मुझे सिर्फ एक औरत समझोगे तो तुम्हें
Wow. Oh my god, guys, this is super amazing. I will say, honestly, goosebumps आ रहा था while watching the whole trailer. This dialogue especially, जहाँ पे कंगना रनावत कहती है कि, you know, when she was told कि I didn't know South Indians can speak this good of English, and she was like, I didn't knew North Indians can understand this language that well, so that was like bang on. So वो वाला dialogue मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. It was like Barry, and it was like पूरा एक जैसे जोश वाला एक dialogue होता है, that it was like that, and it was like wow, this is nice, and it had catch my fancy, to be very honest. So मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Like I really liked that dialogue, and moreover, I would like to say that I think many stars should really take some classes from Kangana Ranaut because of her acting skills and how well she have acted on the whole trailer. And I'm super excited right now to watch the whole movie क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा देख के trailer, and I really want to know कि क्या होने वाला है on the full movie. So I'm super excited. I want to wait until 23rd of April, so eagerly waiting for it. And I so wished that Kangana Ranaut should have been casted and Gangubai Kutiyawali, which was casted to Alia Bhatt. I think Kangana Ranaut could have justified more to that role. I so wished that उनको अगर cast किया जाता तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता. But anyways, I so wish कि कंगना रनावत वहाँ पे रहती तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता, I guess. But it's my opinion again. But really, I am so like, I am really stunned at the moment, and honestly goosebumps आया. So I am super excited for this, guys. Also, one thing I would like to say कि this trailer should have been released on Women's Day itself क्योंकि ज़्यादा impact होता है, I guess. And the last part was the end जहाँ पे दिखाया गया, you know, she has been harassed and how she has been harassed in a room full of men. So वहाँ पे actually दिखाया जा रहा है कि even though women are trying to be equal with men, how they are being drastically, like, they are putting the women off, and things are not being equal. And to पहले जो एक dialogue था, guys, जहाँ पे कहा गया कि you know ये आदमियों का काम है, औरत का नहीं. And that thing is really, like, you know, it's a reality, it's a harsh reality that goes everywhere. No matter what you do, no matter wherever you go, even though women are trying hard their best, giving their soul and everything, ये हमको सुनने को हर वक्त मिलता है कि ये आदमियों का काम है, औरत का नहीं. So I think आदमी औरत यहाँ पे मैटर नहीं करता. जो मैटर करता है कि काम हो रहा है, अच्छे से हो रहा है या खराब से हो रहा है. And recently I went to few petrol pumps in Kolkata, and I've seen women working there. So I don't think, you know, we really need to distinguish between men and women for jobs and all, क्योंकि अगर लड़की जन्म दे सकती है, if women can give birth, they can do anything and everything they want to. So that's what. So we should equalize everything up. And yeah, so that's what, guys. And it seemed like Kangana Ranaut's reality is been shown up here. जैसे उनको tease किया गया about the nepotism thing and everything that went on last year, and how her office was destroyed when she took a stand for Sushant Singh Rajput. The consequences that she faced, वो actually replicate करता है somehow with this trailer, I will say. So it's somewhere reality meeting the, like, reality is meeting the, what should I say, the virtual, I don't know, I'm not getting the term, but the reality is like meeting not so reality. I don't know, what should I say? Real is meeting with real, I will say. I don't know, ऐसा कुछ अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है, like, you know, something that real में हुआ है, real में भी ये दिखाया जा रहा है. So that has been like almost portrayed up here. So somewhere there is like a big, you know, क्या कहते हैं इसको, I'm sorry, there's a meet in between both of them. So somewhere down the line मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I'm hearing Kangana Ranaut's story. So the fights that she had to do. So yeah, so that's what I felt, and बहुत ज़्यादा impactful था. And yeah, so whatever has been shown on the trailer, कि how women really have to fight for the smallest of things, ये सच है. Even if we give the world, you know, the world is still going to question us कि अरे नहीं आप औरत हो, ये सब काम मर्दों का है. So it's not. We can also work, and yeah, so, and I guess we can work with efficiency equalizing to that of men. So I don't think we should like equalize everything up and not distinguish between men and women. So that's what I want to say. And I mean, equality, guys, कि equality means कि जो काम लड़का कर सकता है वो लड़की भी कर सकती है. जो काम लड़का मतलब जो काम होता है वो काम ही होता है. इसमें ये लड़का का ये लड़की का ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. So we can take stress and we can take a hell lot of stress. So I don't think we need to differentiate कि ये लड़का का ये लड़की का and all those stuff. So that's what. Even my elder sister Urmili, she's in a business. She's in a photography business, and she single-handedly controls everything up. But when she was starting from our home, it was told कि वो नहीं कर पाएगी क्योंकि ये लड़का का चीज़ है and लड़के ये सब करते हैं. Men run the business and all, and women don't. But she didn't quit, and she was bang on, and she never surrendered, and she fought for what she felt was right. So that's what. So अगर वो कर सकती है, then I think everyone can do it. And she being a strong woman, she inspires me a lot. She inspires most of us a lot. Whoever meets her gets inspired, and she is this full ball of positivity. और अगर आपको photography के लिए कोई event के लिए चाहिए होगा, then contact her, Urmila Photography. I'll put her link in the description box below. She also has a YouTube channel of Urmila Photography, and also What the Ish. That's a personal account, so do subscribe her, guys. Subscribe कर देना. So yeah, that's what, guys. अगर you know, women can take charges and they can run businesses and they can go and flourish in every field they want to. So that's what. So ऐसा नहीं होता कि ये लड़का का ये लड़की का है. So that's what, guys. That's what I want to say. बहुत ज़्यादा बोल गई आज, I guess. Anyways, but that's what, guys. That's what I want to say. And yeah, so the end thing is respect करो. ये लड़का लड़की का बात नहीं है. It's all about how efficiently you do it, and the work needs to be get done in the end of the day, no matter who is doing it. ये लड़का कर रहा है, ये लड़की कर रही है. So yeah, so that's what I want to say, guys. So that's what. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and to come around with thumbs up and a clap to you. And it's like 10 on 10 for me. Her acting skills, everything. So I'll wait for 23rd of April for sure. And are you? Comment down below. So yeah, अगर आप वेट कर रहे हो, so we're going to go and watch together. So yeah, so that's what, guys. So that's what I want to say. And yeah, so if you like this video, please do like this video. Please do comment down below about how you feel about this entire video, and also share this video if you agree with me. And comment down below about how you felt about this entire video, which I already catch you, I guess. And guys, please subscribe कर देना to my channel if you like this video. So yeah, and if you feel कि जो मैंने कहा वो ठीक है, then share this video with your friends and family. That will be a big support to me and help me grow my That Fat Girl channel. So yeah, this is Aniruddha, That Fat Girl. Bye, have a great day. And guys, last but not the least, as I always say, please do stay safe, take care of yourself. ख्याल रखो. अगर वैक्सीन नहीं लिया ले लो. मैंने भी नहीं लिया अभी तक, पता नहीं कब लूँगी, fingers crossed है. So yeah, That's for sure. This is Amrita, that fat girl. Bye. Have a great day. Always.